So we have our web page, and here, just move that around a bit, and we decide, oh, we want to put it on the internet. So we've got to go through a hosting company, obviously, to do that. So we've uploaded it to a hosting company. I won't go through that now, I'll do that later. But what we need to look at is what information we're going to be giving search engines, namely Google, Bing and Yahoo, obviously Google predominantly. So what we'll do here is we're going to add a couple more of these, what we call meta tags, to give Google information on what should be displayed in the search when a search is made. So we have here a name, and we want a description, which we put in here in quotes, always in quotes, and then here the content, meaning the content of this web page, which, I mean, how would I describe this web page? Where is it? I don't know where it is. Okay, a couple of icons and a bit of text basically, so not much going on there, just a basic web page with some text and a YouTube icon and face, running out of space there. Facebook, oops, icon. Okay, great. Right, so that's the first one. And now underneath that I'll add a second one, which I'm going to put in as keywords, being the second one. These are the description is the description of the page that comes on when you say you type in Nike shoes. It'll give you Nike shoes in Google, and then it'll have a description of the page. This is a page that sells shoes or whatever. So that's what this is all about. So here I want keywords for when people search. So when someone searches, say, I don't know, Facebook could be a keyword, YouTube, because that's what our page has references to. I don't know what else, maybe SVG, because they're the images I'm using, and just making stuff up here, just HTML-5, and that'll do. That's just, I mean, I haven't got much, there isn't much keywords to really get from a small page like that, but that'll do anyway. So it's just an example. And there are others you can add furthermore. I may add name equals author would be one. So that would be content, my name. There we go. And maybe another one. I mean, these aren't mandatory, they're just to help Google do its thing. So we could have here robots and content. So this is for the search engine robots that Google uses just to search the page. So it's saying basically look at everything on the page, pick out the keywords, look for these keywords in the page, and when someone does a search, it'll reference this particular document. And then once the search has been done, it'll give a description of what the page is about. And finally, I may just even add, just for the responsive web design nuts, this one is for the viewport. So helps with mobile phones and things like that a bit. for small screens to large screens, basically. So it's basically tells everything on the page should squeeze into one view. So that would be width equals device width, and that'll do it.